In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Microsoft Forms QR code in just a few minutes. This is a fantastic way to quickly distribute your form to a wide audience using a simple scannable code. Whether you're working on a survey, a quiz, or any type of form in Microsoft Forms, sharing it via a QR code can be incredibly efficient. Let's walk through the steps to make this happen. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the free Microsoft 365 online website. If you're not already familiar, this is where you can access Microsoft's suite of online tools, including Forms, which is what we'll be using today. Once you're there, the next step is to sign into your Microsoft account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, but assuming those details are ready, go ahead and click on the Sign In button. It's really important to use the correct credentials to avoid any hassles down the line. After you've successfully signed in, the next task is to access Microsoft Forms. This is your central hub for creating, editing, and sharing all sorts of forms. You can find Microsoft Forms through the app launcher, a grid icon found at the top left corner of the page. Click on this and then select Forms from the drop-down options that appear. Once you're on the Microsoft Forms page, you'll need to either create a new form or locate an existing one that you want to share. Click on the form you're interested in to open it. Take a moment here to ensure that everything in your form looks correct. Always a good practice before sharing it with others. With your form open, look for the present option and click on it. This is typically found within the top part of your form's interface and will activate the presentation mode. Presentation mode is designed to showcase your form in a full distraction-free layout, making it ready for sharing. In this presentation mode, you'll see an option that says QR code. Clicking on this will instantly generate a QR code for your form. It's as simple as that. You now have a scannable code that links directly to your form. This QR code can be downloaded and added to any materials you like, such as flyers, business cards, or even digital presentations. Remember, sharing via a QR code is not only convenient but also enhances reach, giving quick access to your audience with just a scan. It's a great tool for engaging with people efficiently, and tech-savvy audiences especially appreciate the ease of use. That's it, you're all set to share your Microsoft Forms with a QR code. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.